Hi everybody, my name's Paris Delatraz and I'm the director of the Venture Lab here at IE Business School. We're one of the top 10 business schools in the world, and we're very proud of the fact that we've got a partnership with Upkey on their internship programs. I think that the Upkey programs are truly disruptive, and what's unique about them is they really help you differentiate yourself. I mean, we're going through a period right now of tremendous uncertainty, and companies are looking for people that are disruptive. The way I like to put it is companies are looking for people that see opportunity in uncertainty. That's what an entrepreneur sees, right? And that's why the emphasis on entrepreneurship, and why I think, most of us are not going to become entrepreneurs. So don't think that we're trying to turn you into an entrepreneur. We're trying to help you think like an entrepreneur. This last summer program that Upkey did, the VIP program, was just amazing. We did a 1 week sort of like immersion into what I run, the Venture Lab, which is a 9-week program back at IE. And the 1 week program was amazing. We had over 100 students. What am I talking about? We had over 100 teams. We had more than 500 students that for a week they picked ideas and they were able to, turn their ideas into something real. And then we had a final with jury members from all over the US. And we had winners. And it was a truly disruptive experience that got people thinking out of the box. So I strongly encourage you to join us for the September Entrepreneurship Summit. At that summit, we're going to do during 2 days, real, showcase, give you a lot of the trends, best practices in entrepreneurship today, some insights that will really be valuable for you. And then on the second day, we're going to give you the opportunity to get feedback and understand better how this might be able to help you. We're going to have an amazing lineup of speakers. Believe me, bringing together IE and Upkey is truly amazing. We're number 2 in the world in entrepreneurship. We're one of the top 10 business schools. Upkey's probably got the best internship program in the US. And, today you cannot afford to just hang around with the status quo. I mean, today you need to get out there and disrupt yourself. You need to think out of the box. And there's no better way to truly differentiate yourself than with the Upkey program. So I look forward to seeing all of you at the summit, because I think once you see what we have in store for you for this year in the fall, it's a 4-week entrepreneurship program, not 1. During 4 weeks of a Venture Lab type program, you're going to be truly disruptive and you'll be able to innovate like you never thought you could before. So again, my name is Paris Delatraz, and I welcome you to join us at the Entrepreneurship Summit in September. Look forward to seeing you soon.